Question 1. The principles of Ashoka's Dhamma were taken from A. Buddhism, B. Jainism, C. Brahmanism, D. The moral virtues of all Indian religions of that period. Answer. D. The moral virtues of all Indian religions of that period. Question 2. Which social evil was conspicuously absent in ancient India? A. Polygamy, B. Sati system, C. Devadasi system, D. Purdah system. Answer. D. Purdah system. Question 3. The greatest Kushana ruler whose contribution to Buddhism was even greater than that of Ashoka was A. Kadphises, B. Kanishka I, C. Vashishka, D. Havishka. Answer. B. Kanishka I. Question 4. The fourth and the last Buddhist council was convened by A. Ashoka, B. Menander, C. Kanishka, D. Havishka. Answer. C. Kanishka. Question 5. The first image of the Buddha was carved out during the reign of A. Ashoka, B. Pushyamitra Shunga, C. Kanishka I, D. Menander. Answer. C. Kanishka I. Question 6. The Gandhara Mathura school of art, which flourished during the Kushana period under the foreign influence of A. Greece, B. Rome, C. Both A and B above, D. China. Answer. C. Both A and B above. Question 7. During the reign of Kanishka, Buddhism for time went to China, and from China it went to A. Burma and Tibet, B. Thailand and Cambodia, C. Korea and Japan, D. Indonesia and Vietnam. Answer. C. Korea and Japan. Question 8. Who of the following W. the personal physician of Kanishka and also the author famous treatise on the India system of medicine? A. Charaka, B. Sushruta, C. Nagarjuna, D. Javaka. Answer. A. Charaka. Question 9. The worship of images of Buddha in India began during the period A. Mauryan, B. Sunga, C. Kushana, D. Gupta. Answer. C. Kushana. Question 10. The earliest stratum of the history of the Tamils is known as A. Chola age, B. Pandyan age, C. Sangam age, D. Pallava age. Answer. C. Sangam age. Question 11. The Sangam age in the history of South India represents A. The period of Aryanization of South India, B. A period when an assembly of a college of Tamil poets was held at Madurai, C. A literary cultural phase of the Tamilam during the first 3 centuries of the Christian era, D. Both, B. and C. above. Answer. D. Both, B. and C. above. Question 12. During the Sangam age, brisk and nourishing foreign trade was conducted from the South Indian ports of Mussoorie, Kaveripatnam or Pumpuharan to A. West Asia, B. Southeast Asia, C. Roman world, D. Central Europe. Answer. C. Roman world. Question 13. Which of the following is one of the greatest classics of the Sangam literature? A. Tika PM, B. Kural, C. Pattupattu, D. Silapadikaram or Manimikalai. Answer. D. Silapadikaram or Manimikalai. Question 14. Which of the following is the correct chronological sequence of the ruling dynasties of northern India, from the decline of the Mauryas to the rise of the imperial Guptas? A. Sungas, Indo-Greeks, Kushans, Sakas and Guptas. B. Sungas, Kushans, Parthians, Sakas and Guptas. C. Sungas, Kamvas, Indo-Greeks, Sakas, Parthians and Guptas. D. Kamvas, Sungas, Indo-Greeks, Sakas, Parthians and Guptas. Answer. C. Sungas, Kamvas, Indo-Greeks, Sakas, Parthians and Guptas. Question 15. The last great ruling dynasty of Magadha was Aksunga. B. Kamva. C. Kusana. D. Gupta. Answer. D. Gupta. Question 16. Kanishka is associated with an era which is known as A. Vikram era. B. Saka Shalivahan era. C. Saka era. D. Gupta era. Answer. C. Saka era. Question 17. The greatest conqueror among the Gupta rulers was A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta II. C. Kumargupta. D. Skandagupta. Answer. A. Samudragupta. Question 18. The famous Mehrauli iron pillar inscription describes the conquest of A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta II. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Chandra of Indraprasth. Answer. B. Chandragupta II. Question 19. The Gupta king who is known in the Indian legends as Vikramaditya was A. Chandragupta I. B. Samudragupta. C. Chandragupta II. D. Skandagupta. Answer. C. Chandragupta II. Question 20. The Chinese traveler Fa Hien visited India and left a detailed account of the reign of A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta II. C. Kumargupta I. D. Skandagupta. Answer. B. Chandragupta II.